How to download any Pinterest video easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download any Pinterest video easy and fast. So let's go. First thing we do, we go to Pinterest, then we choose a video like this one here. Now let's just get the link of this video from here and click copy link copied. Then we go to this app called Pinterest Downloader. You will find it on the Play Store. And then let's go to the app, wait a few seconds, and this we click allow. Then let's just post and click download. And there guys, then you click download and you have the video. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and see you later.